Hi, my name is Krishna. I hope you are doing great. In this video, we will see how to install Capcut Pro on your PC. Also, I'm going to tell you how you can stop auto update of Capcut Pro to the latest version so you will not have any problem. So I would request you please watch the complete video to avoid having any issues. Let's start the video. So our first step, open your web browser and type CapCut Pro up to down version 1.4. You need to type something like this. Once you do that, a new page will open and you will see the first result that says older version of CapCut Pro. So you just need to scroll down, and from here you need to look for CapCut 1.4.0.188. You need to download this version. Okay. So from here I'm going to download the version. I click download. So it is downloading right now. Okay, please watch the complete video to avoid any problem, just to make sure that CapCut will work perfectly fine on your computer. For Indian user, there is something that you guys need to know, because in India CapCut will directly not work, so you need a VPN. So I will tell you how to do that. So for the Indian user, you will need to download the Proton VPN, or you can download any VPN, but the Proton VPN is free to use and you can easily use it. So from here you can download the Proton VPN. Once you download, you would need to open Proton VPN. It is just for Indian user, and connect it. It will automatically connect to the best servers available. Okay. So once your CapCut Pro is downloaded, install it. My CapCut Pro is downloaded now. So I'm going to install it. Click on agree and install now. Okay, it is installing now. Alright. This CapCut version is very simple to use, and to be honest, apart from all other video editing software, CapCut actually has something to offer. It is very easy. I mean, editing on computer or PC is really hard for me. I always do it on phone, but recently I started using CapCut and I feel it's good to go. So yeah, once it is installed, please open it. Okay, it will test your environment and it will open like this. Once you open it, close it right away. You will see a pop-up like this. Just close it. Okay, and then now the next step, to make sure that it will not automatically update to the latest version and that will not let you use CapCut fully. So we need to go to our file manager, and in your file manager go to your local disk C, and from here look for the folder users. Here is the user folder, and in user folder you will see your name. Over here you need to look for app data. For some of you, you might not see this page where it says app data. So to see that, you need to click over here in view, click on show more and select show hidden items. So if you click on show hidden items, it will show you this page app data. Then open it, go to local and look for CapCut Pro. Here click on CapCut Pro, click on apps. Make sure you are going to double click over here, look for new folder and click text document. Okay, and from here you need to update it to, from here you need to make a text document that says update.exe and click enter. And this will let you create a file that says update.exe. Okay, so if you don't see update.exe, all you need to do is click on view, click on show more and enable file name extension. Okay, so we'll need to enable these two things, hidden items and file name extension. Okay, so then you need to select update, click on properties, select read only and click on apply, then okay. Great. I need to go back. You need to again go to user data Now you need to go back. Okay, again go to user data, go to download, and over here also we'll make the same file .txt. We'll type update .exe. We're going to save it. Click on yes. And now the same thing we'll need to make sure. Select on it, click on read only, click apply, and then OK. Right. So here we go. We'll close it now. Make sure if you're in India, connect to the VPN service and then open Capcut. So here you can see my Capcut is open now, and yeah, you can use all the features.